Now, Mr. Rubik, would you like to tell us a bit about how you invented the Rubik's Cube?
Why, certainly. Well, I had this little cube with squares and blocks with colors. And, well, I made it and I started turning and turning and turning until the Rubik's Cube looked like this. Well, I was like, I guess I'll send all the little colors back to their home. And so I started turning and twisting and turning, and I was like, I can't remember how I got to this point.
Welcome to A&K, Mr. Rubik.
It's a pleasure to be here, and thank you for inviting me on your show.
Welcome to A&K, Mr. Rubik.
It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for inviting me on your show.
Now, Mr. Rubik, would you like to tell us a bit about how you invented the Rubik's Cube?
Why, certainly. Well, I started with a block like this, and why, certainly. Well, I started by twisting and turning and turning and twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting until it appeared like the one that... Why, certainly. Well, I started by turning and twisting and pointing and twisting and pointing and twisting until the Rubik's Cube became like this. There. Well, I started by twisting and turning and turning and twisting.
And turning and twisting and turning and twisting.
Yes, by turning and twisting and turning and twisting.
Now, Mr. Rubik, would you like to tell us a bit about how you invented the Rubik's Cube?
Why, certainly. Well,
Mr. Rubik?
Yeah, I started like this, and well, I twisted, and I turned it. Yeah, and, well, sorry about that.
Now, Mr. Rubik, would you like to tell us a bit about how you invented the Rubik's Cube?
Why, certainly. Well, I started by twisting and turning, and, well, I kept
You're not still turning it.
That's in the middle of it.
Is there a little problem identifying your nationality?
Yeah.
Okay. The one, the only, Erno Rubik! What? Erno Rubik!
One of them is here today with us. Danielle, I can't read it if you're holding it like that.
Just go and hold it this way.
But then I can't wait. If you call within the first 2 minutes, we'll even throw in this complimentary Barbie doll.
Oh my God. And now, all the way from Europe, the one, the only, Erno Rubik, who has come here to share with us his advice, life stories, and other stuff.
Extraordinary wisdom.
Extraordinary wisdom.
Whatever.
Hurry, they're selling fast. We're down to only 500 left in our stock.
And I'm still back.
Turn the page.
A mind-boggling puzzle has only been solved by a few geniuses in the world, attempted by fans known as cubic rubies. One of them, who is here...
Cubic rubes.
Oh.
Stay tuned for next week's segment, Cooking with Kathy. Kathy will show you some simple, but boy are they tasty recipes. Thank you so much, Mr. Rubik, for coming on A&K today. It was an honor to have you.
It's an honor to be here. That's not the recipe.
Oh crap!
Sorry about that.
I dropped it.
Well, good thing you're better at solving a Rubik's Cube then. You are...
Hi viewers, I'm Katie.
And I'm... Ashley. And well, yeah, so I went to this toy convention and it wasn't selling at first. And then I ran into this guy named Lassie.